Welcome back to the channel. If you want to speak English the way Americans really do, you're in the right place.
That's right. This is not textbook English. This is real American English, the kind people use at home, at work, with friends, and in everyday life.
This is a long video, so relax, grab a coffee, and learn step by step.
By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident, more natural, and more comfortable speaking English like Americans.
The first thing you need to understand is this: Americans care more about communication, not perfection.
Yes, grammar mistakes are okay. Accent is okay. What matters is confidence and clarity.
Americans often speak fast, but they use simple words.
So don't try to sound smart. Try to sound natural.
Let's start with greetings. Americans rarely say, "Hello, how are you?" in a formal way.
Instead, they say things like, "Hey, how's it going? What's up? How you doing?"
And the answer is usually short.
Examples: pretty good, not bad, doing great.
Hey, what are you up to today?
Not much, just working and running a few errands. You?
Same here, trying to stay productive.
That's a very American sentence.
Americans use filler words when thinking.
Examples: like.
Example sentence: I was like thinking about moving to a new place.
Americans connect words together. Want to, wanna. Going to, gonna. Got to, gotta.
Practice: I want to learn English.
Americans often soften opinions.
Examples: I think, I feel like, in my opinion.
Agreeing. Exactly. That's true. I agree.
Disagreeing politely: I'm not sure about that. I see your point, but...
At work, Americans are polite but relaxed.
Examples: let's touch base later. I'll get back to you. Can you take a look at this?
With friends, Americans are very casual.
Examples: let's hang out. Catch you later. That's awesome.
Idioms make your English sound native.
Examples: break the ice. Call it a day. Hang in there.
American English uses a strong R sound.
Practice: car, work, better.
Americans show emotions clearly.
Americans love short stories.
Structure: start simple, add feeling, end clearly.
Repeat: I'm working on my English every day.
Speaking English is getting easier.
Stop translating in your head.
Think simple thoughts in English.
Confidence comes from practice.
Mistakes mean progress.
Americans love small talk.
Topics: weather, work, weekend plans.
Phone English is short and clear.
Examples: can you hear me? I'll call you back.
Americans like light humor.
Simple jokes, not complex ones.
Hey, how's everything going?
Pretty good, just staying busy and learning English.
If you finished this video, you're serious about English.
Keep practicing. You can do this.
Thanks for watching.
See you in the next video.